Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I'll show you how we can configure scheduled charging. You have to open settings, go for battery. Right now you have to go for the battery care. And when you are here, you can find scheduled charging. So tap on the switcher to enable this option and click here if you want to set it up. So we can set a period, the start time. We can go for 8 AM and the end time we can put here 8 PM. Click OK, and as you can see we can also activate the auto end time, and we can get here to sleep while setting, like do not disturb mode, airplane mode, and we can activate or do not activate LED indicator. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.